Now, viewers, all eyes on the upcoming polls in the state of Maharashtra, where ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, the BJP national spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari has launched a scathing attack on the opposition, Congress, and saying that the Congress party is anti-Dalit. Pradeep Bhandari has attacked Rahul Gandhi by saying that he carried a blank copy of the constitution and wants to destroy the idea of constitution of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He further stated that if the Congress will come into power in Maharashtra, they will snatch away the rights of the Dalit. There we are, tracking the latest development that in fact has been happening. Let's now listen in to what he has said.
कांग्रेस पार्टी दलित विरोधी है। जब विलासराव देशमुख जी चीफ मिनिस्टर थे तो उनको जय भीम से दिक्कत थी। राहुल गांधी संविधान की खाली कॉपी लेकर घूमते हैं। वो बाबा साहिब अंबेडकर के संविधान को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, दलितों को बांटना चाहते हैं, मुस्लिम वोट को एकजुट करना चाहते हैं। इसीलिए 70 सालों तक जम्मू कश्मीर में बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर जी का संविधान लागू नहीं किया। इसीलिए बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भारत रत्न नहीं दिया। इसीलिए 40 साल तक बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर की प्रतिमा को सेंट्रल हॉल में नहीं लगाया। ये सब यही स्पष्ट करता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार अगर महाराष्ट्र में आएगी तो वो दलितों के संविधान को तहस-नहस कर देगी, दलितों के अधिकार को छीन लेगी और अपने मुस्लिम वोट को अधिकार दे देगी, अपने तुष्टीकरण के वोट को अधिकार दे देगी। महाराष्ट्र के अंदर लड़ाई दलित विरोधी, संविधान से नफरत करने वाली कांग्रेस पार्टी और देश को बचाने वाली, महाराष्ट्र की अस्मिता को बचाने वाली, महाराष्ट्र में दलितों के आरक्षण को बचाने वाली भारतीय जनता पार्टी लेड एनडीए के बीच।
All right, viewers, joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, as the political controversy continues to heat up ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections. In fact, this is a war of MVA versus the Mahayuti, but at this point of time, the bone of contention seems to be the Dalit vote bank, which has stirred in the latest of the statements that have come from BJP's Pradeep Bhandari. In fact, launching a scathing attack at Rahul Gandhi. What is the latest that you can gather while updating us?
Well, yes, Simran, ahead of the Maharashtra elections, the war of words have escalated between the rival parties in Maharashtra right now. And we heard Pradeep Bhandari, the BJP's national spokesperson, who, accused Congress party along with Rahul Gandhi for various things. And now it is being observed that the elections in Maharashtra has been taken, swift towards the caste politics also, because right now the politics is happening over the Dalit vote bank in Maharashtra. And over that, BJP is targeting the Congress party, and Pradeep Bhandari has specifically mentioned that Congress party is anti-Dalits. This is a very big statement that is coming from Bharatiya Janata Party. In between all the campaigning in the Maharashtra and all the star campaigners are there. The war of words is happening in Maharashtra. So such statement is can be considered to be a very big statement. And also, Pradeep Bhandari mentioned that how when Vilasrao Deshmukh was the chief minister of Maharashtra, the Congress party had the problem with the slogan of Jai Bhim also. And apart from that, apart from targeting the Congress party, Pradeep Bhandari, the national spokesperson of BJP, also targeted Rahul Gandhi, and he said that Rahul Gandhi took a blank copy of the constitution and he wants to destroy the constitution of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So not only this, but he also, said that how Congress party is targeting to divide the Dalit and also to unite the Muslim vote bank in Maharashtra. And apart from that, he also, talked about the Jammu and Kashmir issues, and he mentioned that how the constitution of Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not implemented in Jammu and Kashmir for 70 years, and Bharat Ratna was not conferred on Baba Saheb Ambedkar by the Congress party. So these are the big allegations that have been put up by Pradeep Bhandari, by BJP on Congress along with Rahul Gandhi. And not only that, talking about the Maharashtra elections, Pradeep Bhandari has also said that if Congress party wins and come into power in Maharashtra, then they will try to snatch away the rights of the Dalits. So yes, it can be observed that how the politics in Maharashtra have been turned into a caste politics right now, and the Dalits can be turned out to be a very important segment of these elections, because right now the war of words have been escalated, and all the parties are, very aggressive right now to win Maharashtra. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mendi, thank you for adding these latest details and inputs that you are gathering now, viewers. It's time to shift our focus to what is happening